Hi, let us solve this problem x plus x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5 in terms of legendre polynomials. So to solve this problem, let us take f of x as the given question, that is x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5. So to solve this equation, what is the power here? 3, right? Maximum power. So we have to find p0 of x, p1 of x, p2 of x and p3 of x for this problem. So these things will be common. Even the function f of x is different. Actually, we have to derive p0 of x 1, 2 and 3 for such problems. So this is the general formula. Pn of x is equal to 1 by 2 power n factorial d power n by dx power n of x square minus 1 power n. So to find p0 of x, we are going to substitute n as 0. So 1 by 2 power 0, 0 factorial, d power 0, dx power 0 of x square minus 1 power 0. Since everything the power is 0, anything power 0 is 1, so the answer is 1, p0 of x. Similarly, when you see p1 of x, that is 1 by 2 power 1, 1 factorial, d power 1, dx power n. So we are differentiating only once, x square minus 1. X square differentiation is 2x, 2 and 2 will get cancelled and we will get x. Similarly, can you find p2 of x? This is 1 by 2 power 2 into 2 factorial d square by dx square of x square minus 1 the whole square, because here it is the power 1, here it is 0. So now we have to square it. So 1 by 2 power 2 into 2 factorial. So this is 1 by 8 d square by dx square of, you have to expand this x square minus 1 the whole square. So that is x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1. So if you differentiate this twice, first differentiation what you will get? 1 by 8 into, if you want you can write d by dx of, you differentiate once, 4x cube minus 4x. So again if you differentiate, 12x square minus 4. So this is the answer. You can take this 8 and simplify one term. So 3x square minus 1. You can take 4 common and cancel 4. It will be like 4 by 8 and then this will become 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1. So this is p2 of x. So if they have given the question for 7 marks, they expect you to derive p0 of x, p1 of x and p2 of x. As well as here we have p3 of x, right? So what is p3 of x? I think now you can try. p3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 power 3, 3 factorial d cube by dx cube of x square minus 1 the whole cube. So now this is nothing but 1 by 48 into d cube by dx cube of just the cubic formula x power 6 minus 3x power 4 plus 3x square minus 1. So if you differentiate thrice, you will get 24 by 28 into 5x cube minus 3x. So for this question we need only till p3 of x. So what we are going to do is, if you see here, the terms x cube, x square, x, right? So we are going to write this, from this equation you can write what is x. From this equation you can write what is x square. And we are going to substitute it. So what we get is x square is equal to 1 by 3 into p0 of x plus 2 by 3 into p2 of x. So we have two terms. How we got this x square term? So just now we have derived, right, p2 of x. What is p2 of x? Here we got 3x square minus 1 by 2. Just now we have derived. So p2 of x is 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1. From this we are going to take x square. So 2 into p2 of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. 3x square is equal to 1 plus 2 into p2 of x. So x square is divided by 3. 1 by 3 into 1, right? Instead of 1, what we will write? p0 of x. Because we have derived p0 of x as 1. So in the place of 1, we have replaced this. So x square is nothing but 1 by 3 into P0 of x plus 2 by 3 into P2 of x. So if you learn one problem, these things are common for all the problems. So we can use it directly. Similarly, I have written what is x3. Okay, let us see how we have derived this. So already just now we solved P3 of x, correct? We solved this. P3 of x is 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. From this, what we are going to do? Take x cube. So this 2 you are multiplying. 2 into P3 of x is equal to 5x cube minus 3x. So 5x cube is equal to, taking this 3x to the other side, 2 into P3 of x plus 3x. So you remember last time 3 into 1, something into 1 was there. So 1 by 3 into 1. So in the place of 1 I have replaced P0 of x. Now what we have? X. What we have derived? X. Remember? P0 of x is 1 and P1 of x is x. So in the place of x I am going to substitute P1 of x. So 5x cube is this. Therefore x cube is equal to 2 by 5 into P3 of x plus 3 by 5 into P1 of x. That is, so we have written what is x square and x cube. Just you are going to substitute in the given function f of x. So what is f of x in our question? X cube, I will rewrite again, plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5. So in the place of x cube I am going to substitute this. That is equal to 2 by 5 into P3 of x plus 3 by 5 into P1 of x. I have written what is x cube. Plus 2 into, we have derived x square here. What is x square? 1 by here. That I am going to write. So 2 is common. 1 by 3 into P0 of x plus 2 by 3 into P2 of x. So we are done with this x square also. Minus 4 into, what you will write as x? P1 of x plus 5 into, it is 1, right? So 1 is always P0 of x. Always write 1 as P0 of x. Always write x as P1 of x. Always write x square as this term. And always write x cube as this term. That's it. Problem may change. These coefficients may change. But this concept will be the same. So now we are going to rearrange the terms. 2 by 5 into P3 of x. There is only one P3 of x. Okay. But P2 of x, if you see, 2 into 2 by 3 P2 of x. So it is nothing but 4 by 3 into P2 of x. Then P1 of x term, you have to combine it. Correct? That is 3 by 5 P1 of x. And then there is no P1. Here minus 4 into P1 of x. So plus P1 of x into 3 by 5 minus 4. Okay, if you take LCM, 5 4s are 20. 3 minus 20 minus 17 by 5 will come. And then last P0 of x. What are the terms we have in P0 of x? 2 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3, right? 2 by 3 plus 5. 2 by 3 plus 5. So 15, this let me simplify. 2 by 5 into P3 of x plus 4 by 3 into P2 of x. This 20 minus 20 plus 3. So minus 17 by 5 P1 of x and then plus 17 by 3 P0 of x. So this is the solution. Very simple. Whatever things that you have studied, what you have to do, remember, you have to write Pn of x properly. Pn of x formula is correct, means you can derive P0 of x on your own, you can derive P1 of x on your own and P2 of x as well as P3 of x for this problem. After deriving these four, from this term, wherever 1 is there, you are going to substitute P0 of x. That is not a problem. Wherever x is there, you are going to substitute P1 of x. From this, you are going to derive, from P2 of x, you are going to derive x square. From P3 of x, you are going to derive x cube and then substitute in the given question. That's it. So, for example, if they ask you what is P2 of cos theta. So, if we already know, just now we have derived P2 of x is 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1. So, P2 of cos theta is equal to, those derivations are same for all. Only problem, the substitution differs. 1 by 2 into 3 into cos square theta minus 1. So, what is cos square theta? 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, right? So 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta minus 1. So if you simplify, that is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 plus 3 cos 2 theta minus 2. So this is the solution for this. So very simple. Wherever x square is there, we are replacing. And you remember the formula, cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta. Just we have applied that. Similarly, if they ask P3 of cos 3 theta, what we will do? P3 of x is what? 1 by 2 into, remember, 5 into x cube. In the place of x, what I will write? Cos 3 theta the whole cube minus 3x, 3 into cos theta. So this we have to simplify and get the answer as, I will write the answer, just use the cos 3 theta formula here. So 1 by 8 into 3 cos theta plus 5 cos 3 theta. So I'll give you the formula also what to use. In the place of cos cube theta, you write 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. That's it. So whatever the question is, P1 of x, P2 of x, P3 of x, all are same. And then we are just going to substitute it. Thank you.